Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Lee from Vapor Clean Cleaning Services, and today we're going to be reviewing the Smol range of products. We have the surface sprays, so the cleaning solutions. We have the dishwasher tablets and we have the detergent capsules. Before we get started though, if you want to learn more about how to clean better while saving money, time and the planet along the way, click subscribe below, turn on the notifications and follow some more of our videos. So, the Smol range, what do we think of it? We tested out the laundry capsules, these sprays, the dishwasher tablets. We've used them all. We've used them all for 4 to 5 weeks and we've really put them through their paces. What's the final verdict? Frankly, they're not bad. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say they're absolutely amazing, they've blown me away and I wouldn't use anything else. But what I would say is they are quick, they are easy, they are completely plastic free. It's well worth the money to give them a go, see how you get on with them. I do think there's an element of personal preference. I liked some things whereas my wife didn't. Other people that were trying them didn't like certain things about them, or they liked certain things that I didn't like. The dishwasher tabs in particular are really good. Certainly don't see any difference than some other things I've used. So all in all, if you want quick and easy, you want to reduce your single-use plastic usage, go for Smol. It's well worth a try. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I hope that helped you a little bit, gave you a little bit more information. If you have any comments, please drop one below. Click subscribe, and if you want to learn how to clean better while saving time, money and the planet along the way, check out some more of our videos. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.